Hi guys, how are you today? Marqueta with United Country Real Estate in Bocas del Toro. Today I want to show you one of our exclusive listings on Isla Solarte. It's about 5 minutes water taxi ride from Bocas Town. This is an absolutely beautiful property listed at $649,000. It comes with 6.4 titled acres and beautiful sandy beach right behind me that you can see. So give us a call today because this property won't last.
Let's take a tour of this heavenly property. After only 5 minutes boat ride from Bocas Town, we arrive at the 150 feet dock with covered boat slip. Looking around and all you can see is the beautiful Caribbean Sea. The snorkeling directly in front of the property is fantastic, with clear Caribbean water, brain corals, and brightly colored fish and sea life. This property has 205 feet of waterfront, 135 of those is stunning sandy beach. A concrete walkway will lead you from the dock to the two structures on the property, the main home, the pink house in the rainforest, and an adjacent casita, the Sea Dreams cottage. Let's walk up to the main home, which has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The total living area in the main house is 1,180 square feet. The ground floor is 640 square feet and comprises the living room, dining room, kitchen with granite countertops, a stainless steel sink, a 4-burner gas range and oven, and a stainless steel electric fridge, 1 bedroom, a full bath with ceramic shower, a large closet with laundry and storage room. All furnishings and kitchen equipment are included. The covered front porch is 9 feet wide by 18 feet long, with stunning views. The second floor area is 540 square feet. It has a large master bedroom and porch overlooking the sea. There is also a second smaller bedroom that could be used as a home office. A bathroom with an outside shower faces the rainforest. The ground floor has tile floor throughout and the upstairs floor is varnished tongue and groove Nispera wood. Let's go see the cozy cottage. This little casita has an area of 260 square feet, with a front porch facing the beach for the guests to enjoy amazing views and breezes. Inside there's one bedroom and bathroom, a small kitchen with granite countertops, a 4-burner gas stove and oven, a stainless steel sink and an under-counter refrigerator. There is a fantastic outdoor shower that is in the back of the cabin facing the breathtaking green jungle. This is an off-grid property with rain catchment system. The two houses have their own septic system and tanks. This is an amazing property that can be used as a family compound or a successful rental property. If you've been searching for your dream home, this gem could check all your boxes, with the owner willing to finance. That's it for the tour. If you see yourself living on this paradisiac tropical island, don't hesitate. Contact United Country Bocas today to come see it for yourself. Thank you for watching.